guys enjoyed watching me and Taylor make the biggest fools out of ourselves at the pancake eating contest, but I also loved the improv team, the I-D-Die-D-Die.
Pancakes were a nice quiet segment.
Yeah.
Chewing, just mainly chewing in that segment.
So guys, in celebration of St. Patrick's Day, we're gonna finish off with the top 5 wackiest facts.
About St. Patty's Day. Right, so the first one, everyone knows Guinness is a famous Irish beer, and on any day, 5.5 million pints are consumed, but on St. Patty's Day, that doubles to 13, almost doubles to 13 million. It's a lot of beer.
That's a lot of Guinness. And I don't know if you guys knew this, but St. Patrick, he's not even Irish. He's British. And he lived in a country villa, and he owned a lot of slaves, so I do not know why we're celebrating this guy.
He converted later in life. He went back to Ireland.
Also, another little fun fact, it's not St. Patty's Day with double T, it's St. Paddy's Day, double D. So the Spoke, I know you guys have a sign out there that says St. Patty's Day. We're gonna let it slide for this time, but for next year, you know, get it right.
Everybody change your signage for your parties. Everyone's just gonna be getting confused everywhere.
Yeah.
Also, a fact about four-leaf clovers, like this great one here, there's actually, four-leaf clovers are not the luckiest clovers, they're five-leaf clovers.
No way.
Probably didn't even know those exist. The Guinness World Records says that the clover with the most leaves on it had 14.
14 clovers.
14
if you find
leaves.
that, you're pooping 5-leaf clovers for the rest of your life. Like, you're the luckiest person ever.
But the chance of finding a clover on your first try, a 4-leaf one, is 1 to 10,000. So if I see any of you crawling around the floor on St. Patty's Day, I'd just be like,
it's not worth it. It's not worth the time.
you're not gonna get it, man. Just go find your fun in different ways.
Taylor, what's up with the green? Like, I heard we're not even supposed to be wearing green on St. Patrick's Day.
Tell me more. Tell me more.
It's supposed to be blue because St. Patrick is actually blue. This is another misconception. So we're celebrating this slave-owning villa Brit guy who's also wearing blue, and we're wearing green. So I think we totally got the holiday wrong. But next year
we changed it up.
We're gonna make blue shirts.
We made it our own.
We made it our own. All right, guys. Check out all our episodes on YouTube at The Big Purple Couch and follow us on Twitter for some awesome tweets.
Look online to find Carly Bodrug and Dustin Saraceni doing a segment on how you guys are preparing for St. Patty's Day.
See you later, guys.